Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you and your family are keeping safe. So today I'm going to discuss about a very important topic. So it's about the standard individual benefit based coronavirus health insurance policy that has been recently announced by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, in short IRDAI. So IRDAI has actually advised all the insurance companies to come up with a coronavirus focused health insurance. So today I'm going to discuss about certain aspects of that policy. Five important features that you need to know about this policy are so the health insurance policy will take care of COVID-19 related health needs of the insuring public, and it will be a standard product with common policy wordings across the industry. So it will facilitate seamless portability among insurers. Senior citizens up to the age of 65 years are eligible for this policy, and the policy will be issued for 1 year and can be renewed every year. So, should you buy this standard insurance, individual benefit based coronavirus health insurance policy? So, I think there are eight important things that you need to know that can actually help you to take this decision. So, number one, sum insured. So, the minimum sum insured will be like 50,000, and the maximum sum insured decided as of today is like 5 lakhs. Eligibility, who all can take this policy? So I think any person from the age of 18 years to 65 years will be eligible for this policy. Family floater, yes, this policy can be either taken for an individual person, or if you are like married and have dependents, you can also make it a family floater plan wherein any person from your family can make use of this policy. Category of cover, the base cover and the add-on cover shall be made available on benefit basis, and the modes of premium payment, like all the modes like yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly, will be allowed for this policy. Grace period is, if you are like paying on the yearly payment mode, then a grace period of 30 days will be given to you. Else for all other cases it will be like 15 days. Free look period, so after you take the policy you will be given a period of 15 days to go through the terms and conditions, and if you are not very happy with it, you can always return the policy within the 15 days, but after that you will not be able to do it. So after that you will have to take the policy. So if you want to return the policy, you will have to do it within this free look period of 15 days. Waiting period or any pre-existing disease, the policy comes with a waiting period of 15 days, and only pre-existing diseases declared in the proposal form are accepted for coverage. So there's some very useful feature called quarantine cover. So what is it? So let's say if suppose I take this India insurance policy, and let's say if I am suspected of having symptoms of coronavirus. So in that case, I'll be expected to to be kept under quarantine for an initial period of 14 days. So in that case, what can happen is like this quarantine cover will kick in. So from my coverage amount, let's say if I have a coverage amount of say some insured of 5 lakhs, so I can immediately claim 50% of that cover up to rupees 2.5 lakhs as soon as I go into quarantine, and the insurance company will straight away give me a lump sum payment of 2.5 lakhs during this quarantine period. Let's say once this quarantine period is over, and after that, if God forbid, if by any chance I am say let's say tested positive for coronavirus, then I can claim the remaining 50% as well. But this whole quarantine cover will be from your sum insured only. It's not like an add-on on top of the sum insured. So the next important question that comes is, should you actually take this policy? Will this be any added benefit to you or not? So well, here is what I have to say. So if you are already having a proper health insurance policy which has like a sufficient coverage of at least 10 lakhs or above, then I don't think it makes sense to take a separate specific policy for coronavirus alone, because the health insurance policy that you have will automatically cover all the illnesses including coronavirus. So it doesn't make sense to only take a disease specific policy, health insurance policy. Rather, you should target to take a general health insurance policy that will cover all the illnesses, including this coronavirus. But let's say if you don't have a health insurance policy right now, maybe then in that case, yes, you can maybe look to buy this coronavirus specific policy. Or even if you are having a health insurance policy, but let's say that coverage amount is very low, then in that case also maybe you can consider this policy. But in all other cases, I would say like go for a general health insurance policy that can cover all the categories of illnesses and not only coronavirus, because that automatically will cover coronavirus as well. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's all from my end for today. Hope you found this information useful. So keep safe, take care of yourself and your family, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.